प्रिया मैम के पास बहुत सारी रेसिपी सीखा।
थैंक यू प्रिया मैम, मैंने बहुत इंजॉय किया।
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है यहाँ पर कुकिंग करते हुए।
मैं और भी क्लासेस करना चाहूँगी प्रिया मैम के साथ। थैंक यू प्रिया मैम।
प्रिया कुकरी क्लास 4 दिन का कोर्स ज्वाइन किया
और मुझे प्रिया मैम की क्लास करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि इनका सिखाने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत varieties and different flavors.
With certifications from renowned master chefs and her unmatched dedication, Priya's expertise has now inspired hundreds of students. Today we're diving into the incredible journey of someone who turned her love for cooking into a passion for teaching. It all started with a dream to share her knowledge, to spread the joy of cooking. Priya has not just learned the art of cooking, she's mastered it. And guess what? She's got the credentials to prove it. Certified by some of the biggest names in the culinary world. And that's not all. Beyond the bustling classrooms and sizzling stoves, Priya's heart beats for a greater cause. With an active commitment to charitable initiatives, she believes in sharing the joy of cooking and giving back to the community. Priya earned a prestigious doctorate degree in culinary arts, solidifying her status not only as a master chef, but as a true academic force in the culinary world. The incredible journey of Priya, a journey from a humble start to becoming a beacon of culinary brilliance. This is not just a story about food, it's a story about dreams, dedication, and the delicious magic that happens when passion meets purpose. Join us in celebrating the legacy of Priya Cookery Classes, where every dish tells a story and every student becomes part of a family. Welcome to the Flavor Revolution.